Hi, I'm Lauren, and welcome to Mallorca, a beautiful island sculpted by the Mediterranean Sea. And what better place to introduce the all-new, all-electric Škoda Elroq in 60 seconds. The Elroq is more compact than the Enyaq. The Elroq is the first Škoda designed in the brand's new design language, modern solid. I really like the beautiful front end with its slim matrix LED headlights and elements of UDC, unique dark chrome finish. As is typical of the Škoda brand, beautiful design combined with purpose. And the Elroq has great aerodynamics. There's plenty of space inside with a wide range of simply clever solutions, like the clever charging cable pocket in the back. The interior is very sleek. With the typical dashboard lines, the new 3-spoke steering wheel, the designers worked with a range of unique and sustainable materials based on recycled PET bottles or post-consumer clothing. In the city, the Elroq's compact size make it beautifully agile and maneuverable. Out of the city, you will enjoy a comfort ride and a quiet interior. Simply, everything you need for your daily explorations. It's a really great car.
Škoda.